When you done me in your bed, I felt it. I tried to pitch you, and you so hot that I melted. I fell right through the crowd. So I tried to get back before you cool down. And now I'll be giving it my best. It's nothing's gonna stop it. Good divine intervention. I record it again in my turn. So in some I learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure you're gonna need to collocate our time. It's sure this is our fate. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plan and then you'll free. Look into look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music at the moment, maybe sing with me. I love peaceful melody. It's your God to say you're right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. You're gonna need to locate our time. It's sure this is our fate.